Hey, and hello, welcome back to Unparalleled Lifestyle. So, quick question. Have you ever sat down to plan your future? Get it clear on your goals, or set a vision for your life, and then, like 2 weeks later, it fizzled out. It happened to me in the past, I understand that. It happens to a lot of us. And today, we are talking about why that happens. Why some visions don't stick. And the common mistakes people make when they are trying to create one. Because, let's be real, setting a vision isn't just about writing some pretty words in a journal. It's about creating something that actually pulls you forward. Something that feels true, real and exciting. And if you are serious about creating your ideal lifestyle, stick around till the end. I have got something powerful to share for those ready to seriously shift their lives. Okay, what is a vision? Let's start here. A vision is basically your long-term picture where you are heading. It's like your inner compass, not a to-do list, not just goals. It's the feeling, the energy, the direction you want to grow into. When you think about your ideal life, what do you see? Can you picture it clearly? Or is it still kind of fuzzy? If your answer is kind of fuzzy, don't stress. That's exactly what we are here for. Mistake number 1, chasing shoulds. This is the big one. A lot of people create a vision based on what they should want, not what they really want. Like, I should want a bigger house, or I should be more ambitious at work. But if you are chasing somebody else's dream, you're either going to get burnt out or worse, get it all and still feel empty. Are there any shoulds sneaking in your vision right now? It's totally okay if there are, because this is your chance to get honest and start fresh. Mistake number 2, it doesn't move you. A vision that doesn't stir something deep inside you, it's not going to stick. You've got to feel it. When you think about your ideal life, do you feel excited, at peace, lit up? If it feels flat or dry, it probably needs more you, more soul, more colour. A little tip, close your eyes. Imagine one powerful moment in your dream life. What are you doing? Who is there? What does it feel like? Mistake number 3, too big or too vague. Now, this is funny. People either go too big or way too vague with their vision. Like, I want to be successful. Okay, but what does that actually mean? Or, on the flip side, I'm going to launch 3 companies, live in Bali, homeschool my kids, write a book, all by next year. Oh, okay. Dream big, yes, but keep it grounded. Stretch yourself, but don't overwhelm yourself. A clear, doable vision keeps you moving forward. Mistake Number 4. One and it's done. Another sneaky one. People write down their vision once, then they never look at it again. It gets buried in a notebook or get lost in the phone. But your vision, it's a living guide. You've got to check in with it. When's the last time you read your vision out loud or visualise it? Try a daily or weekly check-in. Even 5 minutes help you stay aligned with your goals. Mistake number 5. Overthinking the how. Vision aren't spreadsheets. You don't need to know every step right now. Just focus on what and the why. The how, that will come later. So, let yourself dream. Don't edit, don't shrink. This is hard work, not homework. Here's a real life example. I've got a friend who created this super detailed, structured vision, fitness goals, income targets, calendars, and when I asked her how it felt, she said, honestly, overwhelming. She rewrote it with more heart, focusing peace, joy and family time, and then everything shifted for her. More clarity, more ease, more alignment. Now, how to get it right? Alright, so here's how to build a vision that actually sticks. Number 1, start with how you want to feel. Number 2, ask what you want, not what people expect. Number 3, use vivid language. Picture real life moments. Number 4, keep it visible, somewhere you will see it often. Number 5, let it evolve with you. What is one thing you will do differently next time when you create your vision? Or what one word that describes the life you really want? Drop it in the comments. I want to hear it from you. And hey, if you are serious about leveling up your life, it's almost halfway through 2025. Crazy, right? I have got a few spots open for those who are truly ready to shift. Less stress, more confidence, more joy, more of you. The version you meant to be. So if that's you, reach out. My contact info and website are in the description. I only work with action takers. So if that's you, let's go. Remember, setting a vision isn't about having all figured out. It is about listening to what feels true and letting that guide you. If this helps, give it a like, share it with a friend who is dreaming big, and subscribe for that more that content that speaks to your soul. Until next time, stay grounded, stay open, and keep living your unparalleled lifestyle. May you have an amazing day or night, whatever you are. Many blessings.